Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. In this video, I will be walking you through on how to schedule your showcase design elements. We understand here in Shopney that keeping your mobile app content design fresh and aligned with your inventory turnover and promotional agenda is very important. However, we also understand that it's not going to be easy for every merchant, especially if you run an enterprise level Shopify store, to keep your design elements updated and manually keep updating them, going to your Shopney dashboard, doing it every time. Therefore, we created scheduled design elements. So, how does that work? So just before I get started, this schedule design elements will allow you to create new versions of your app layout and schedule them for release in advance. It is very useful for very busy merchants like you if you frequently change your mobile app design or you have a marketing campaign for a product or a collection release. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing that you would have to do, of course, is head over to your Shopney dashboard and let's go ahead and select any showcase design elements that you please. In this example, I'm just going to go ahead and create an image element. So the idea is I will be running a gadget sale this coming August. So what I want to do is first to make sure that I have my collection ready for that. So I'm going to go ahead and um, add discount product. And I'm going to go ahead and upload an image to this. And the image that I want would be, of course, my gadget sale. Perfect. Done. Now I want to just adjust the photos. Perfect. There you have it. So now I have the image already, and this campaign is going to run on August 1 to 31. So since it's just June as we speak in this particular video, it's just the 5th of June. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and schedule this design element, toggle this on. It's just right here on the right panel, customization panel. So I've just toggled on schedule. By the way, one very important note is that schedule design element is only available to platinum plans and above. Great. So now I want to be able to publish this on July 31st, 11:59 p.m. Let's change this to p.m. Perfect. And then I want to also unpublish it immediately on on September 1, 12 midnight. Awesome. And in terms of the time zone, I'm going to do Eastern Standard. Awesome. All right. And that's just really how easy it is for you to schedule your design elements. You can do this in any elements that you have here in your available on your showcase design um, picker. And that's it. That's really how easy it is for you to schedule your design elements. By the way, you would be seeing this badge right here. It says scheduled. This means that this particular app is not yet visible to your app users, but it will be soon. So you know that this particular one or particular element is not yet live. Once this goes live, the badge becomes live. And then once it's unpublished, it will say unpublished. So you will know that what is the status of this design element. And again, once again, this badges will not be visible on the user's end. Awesome. When you are all done, basically just click on save and update and you're all good to go. If you have any other questions, you're always welcome to contact us via email and chat, and our support team will be available to you 24/7. Thank you, guys.